Viewers, are you want to use Canva Pro in free? Let's start the tutorial. Open your browser, search Canva. Click the Canva official website. Now create an account. I am connect my Google account. Here is your Canva default account. Now we will connect the Pro account. Open a new tab in your browser and search Bingo Tingo. Click the Fast website. Scroll down. Click the blog post. Wait 64 seconds. Click the download button. Done! Here is your Canva Pro account. See, I can use all Pro feature. Template, tools, images, elements, text. Thanks for watching this video.